Good evening. Thank you for joining us. We have an important update to share tonight. Lagos court jails man 1 year for 17.5 m theft.
A Lagos businessman, Kabiru Gbadegesin, has been sentenced to 1 year imprisonment after being found guilty of stealing 17.5 million Nigerian nairas in a case that has underscored the devastating consequences of financial betrayal and greed. Let's keep the news rolling, but before then, let's ask ourselves these questions. Why do people love committing crime? What made Kabiru Gbadegesin to steal 17.5 million Nigerian nairas? What's the next action to be taken by the EFCC? All these questions will be answered here. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. The conviction was handed down on Thursday, December 11, 2025, by Justice O.A. Okunoga of the Lagos State High Court sitting in Ikeja, following a full trial that exposed a calculated scheme to dishonestly divert funds entrusted to the defendant. Gbadegesin was arraigned alongside his company, Prince KB International Limited, by the Lagos Zonal Directorate 1 of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, on a 2-count charge bordering on conspiracy to steal and stealing. According to the prosecution, the offense occurred between September and December 2021, when Gbadegesin allegedly abused the confidence placed in him by Alhaji Shahidi Shola, the victim whose funds were unlawfully converted. What began as a business relationship reportedly ended in betrayal, leaving the victim financially strained and emotionally shaken. Court documents revealed that the defendants conspired to steal the money and subsequently converted the entire 17,500,000 Nigerian nairas for personal use. The offences were said to be in clear violation of sections 409 and 285/9b of the Criminal Law of Lagos State, 2011. Despite the seriousness of the allegations, Gbadegesin pleaded not guilty, prompting a trial that would later unravel the truth behind the transactions. During the proceedings, the prosecution counsel, M.K. Bashir, presented a witness and tendered several documentary exhibits that traced the movement of the funds and established the dishonest conversion beyond reasonable doubt. The evidence, which the court admitted in full, painted a disturbing picture of deliberate deception rather than an innocent business dispute. In a judgment that sent a strong warning to would-be offenders, Justice Okunoga found Gbadegesin guilty on both counts. The court sentenced him to 6 months imprisonment on count 1 and 6 months imprisonment on count 2, each with an option of a 1 million Nigerian nairas fine. The sentences are to run concurrently, effectively amounting to 1 year imprisonment. The judge further ordered that the convict be remanded at the Kirikiri Maximum Correctional Center, marking a dramatic fall from freedom to incarceration. Observers in court described the moment as sobering, as the reality of prison time finally set in for the once-free businessman. The case has been widely described as regrettable, especially given that a single act of dishonesty destroyed Gbadegesin's reputation, business prospects, and personal freedom. What could have been resolved through integrity and accountability instead ended in public disgrace and imprisonment. Beyond the legal punishment, the conviction has also left lasting scars on the victim, whose trust was shattered and whose finances were disrupted. EFCC officials reiterated that the conviction reflects the Commission's determination to hold individuals accountable for economic crimes, no matter how small or large. The case serves as a stark reminder that financial crimes carry severe consequences, and that the pursuit of quick gain can result in irreversible loss. Thank you for listening to this news, and ensure to subscribe, like and share our news update. Complement of the seasons. Do have a wonderful Christmas celebration and a prosperous New Year.